Ahoy, sailors, and welcome back to Sailors 365.
In breaking cruise industry news, Carnival Cruise Line has introduced new non-alcoholic versions of their most popular cocktails from the Alchemy Bar, making them the first to offer a full range of alcohol-free cocktails on the high seas. So come aboard with us in today's episode as we explore the menu and indulge in delicious drinks without the buzz. Carnival is the first cruise line to offer a full range of alcohol-free cocktails made with non-alcoholic spirits by distiller Lyre's. The company is a global leader in the emerging alcohol-free spirits trend and uses all-natural flavors to closely match the taste and smell of classic liquors. So you can now indulge in a tasty drink without the worry of a hangover the next day. Let's watch a quick video about the Australian non-alcoholic spirits company.
Lyre's is a range of non-alcoholic spirits designed to mimic exactly the taste, bouquet and mouthfeel of their alcoholic originals, entirely in a non-alcoholic format. The idea came from us looking at consumer trends. We saw this incredible tectonic macro shift in people leaving the alcohol category and people who are new to alcohol from legal drinking age not coming into the category in the first place.
Now that we're educated, let's dive in and look at some of these mouth-watering mocktails. First, we have the Martini Seduction, which features red passion fruit nectar, fresh lime juice, and a hint of orange mixed with Lyre's white cane instead of vodka. Next is the spicy Chipotle Pineapple Martini, which Lyre's Agave Blanco stands in for vodka to bring this spicy pineapple cocktail into its non-alcoholic form. Then we have the Remedy, which features orange juice, pineapple, and fresh lime juice mixed with Lyre's white and spiced cane instead of dark coconut rum. Fourth on the list is Hearts of Fire, which features fresh thyme and raspberries reimagined with Lyre's Dry London instead of gin. Moving right along to number 5, we have the Restorative Basil Drop, featuring Lyre's Dry London mixed with fresh basil and citrus. Up next is the Perfect Storm, which includes strawberry puree, fresh lime, and a hint of rosemary and Lyre's Dry London instead of vodka. And last, but certainly not least, we have the infamous Cucumber Sunrise, which features watermelon nectar, cucumber, lime juice, and a splash of orange juice mixed with Lyre's Agave Blanco instead of vodka. Are you already imagining yourself lounging by the pool, sipping on one of these new refreshing mocktails? Well, wait until you hear this. All Carnival Cruise Line main dining rooms will now serve Lyre's alcohol-free Prosecco. That's right, you can now enjoy a glass of bubbly without the worry of having alcohol. The Alchemy Bar is featured on nearly every Carnival cruise ship sailing from the United States, so be sure to check it out on your next cruise. And if you're sailing from Australia, don't worry, these new non-alcoholic cocktails will be offered on ships there at a later date. So tell us your thoughts. Are you excited to try these new alcohol-free cocktails? Let us know in the comments below. Cheers, sailors!
That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.